So just testing the assembly item fix in Sandbox. Assembly item right here. Tried this a little while ago. It kind of seemed to be choking. Sandbox is not the fastest site in the world, as I'm sure you're aware. So I'm just going to see if it'll ever load. Doesn't seem to be wanting to load. Okay, it loads that way, but it actually won't load this way. That's really strange. I guess you geeks know exactly what that problem is, but I don't know what that. So let's see, purple, large, and bam. Wow. Wait a second. I was I was logged in, and now I got nothing in my cart. So it looks like it did not add it to the cart. And you can see that I'm still logged in, because when I click login, it actually takes me right to checkout. It doesn't take me to log in, which means that I am currently logged in. So it knows I'm already logged in, yet it only, okay, now it says my name. So it looks like we have that problem in Sandbox also that we're experiencing, where it doesn't tell you you're logged in. And nothing in my cart. Let me try a different assembly item. This category here has, the first couple items are assembly items. And is this one going to work? So looks like this one is not wanting to to load either. Although it will if I just load the URL directly instead of going to navigation. Yeah, I don't know why. Don't know why it won't load if I just click on that. It's kind of strange. At any rate, load one of these, and also did not load my cart. And you can see that the name went away again, so you don't have the options to go into your account and such. That's a different problem we've been having in production. Now I'm seeing it in Sandbox, so I'm not sure what the problem is with that. But anyway, doesn't seem like we can load these assembly items to the cart. This is assembly also, I believe. So let's just go right to that. Purple, small, and no, nothing in the cart. I'll go to, if I go to checkout and then back, if I go to the checkout domain and then back to shopping domain, then my name comes back and the options come back. Again, we're not sure why it does that, but we have a open case to figure that out. If I sign out, I'm actually assuming that I will be able to add these assembly items to my cart now that I'm not signed into the site. That's what it was doing before. So we'll see. And looks like, yep. Looks like we got that in the cart when I'm not signed in. So and everything in my cart as expected. So yeah, it looks like there's no change, and when I'm logged in, I still cannot add assembly items to the cart. So there we go.